Hello! Welcome to Essay Nights, the Essay Slayers. My name is Julie and I will be your instructor as we read through how the digestive, cardiovascular and respiratory system are interrelate essay. The article source is embedded in the video description below. Feel free to read along. Please note that you can get a custom, plagiarism-free essay for as little as $10 a page at Essay Nights. The link is in the description. The human body has to be controlled from advanced systems internally of which connect in order to function effectively. There are 10 main systems within the body of which all perform various activities and all interrelate with at least one other system. The nervous system. The most complex of all body systems, the nervous system controls all functions within the body. The main function of the respiratory system is to inhale oxygen and exhale the waste product carbon dioxide. Oxygen is breathed through the mouth and nostrils into the lungs. The gas then diffuses through the alveolar walls and into the red blood cells. Carbon dioxide carried back within erythrocytes diffuses back through the alveolar walls and is exhaled out through the mouth. The cardiovascular system has a role of circulating blood around the body. The contents of blood being circulated include nutrients, gases and waste products. The main organs involved within this process are blood, arteries, veins, heart and the lungs. The function of the digestive system is to absorb and adapt key nutrients which are required to maintain and regulate other systems in the body. Enzymes secreted within the digestive system have a role of breaking down food from proteins into amino acids, starch into glucose and fats into a mixture of fatty acids and glycerol. It can be analyzed that the two body systems work together, which are the respiratory system and the cardiovascular system. Oxygen is inhaled and enters the respiratory system. It travels down into the lungs through the trachea. Once inside the lungs, the gas enters the alveoli and diffuses through the alveolar wall. After it diffuses through the capillary wall, it enters the cardiovascular system. Oxygen then binds with hemoglobin forming oxhemoglobin and is then transported around to cells within the body. Carbon dioxide is transported as a waste product within red blood cells through the cardiovascular system. This needs to be exhaled as too much carbon dioxide present within the blood causes acidosis. The gas must vacate from the blood through the same route oxygen entered the blood. It must exit through the respiratory system. Carbon dioxide diffuses back into the alveoli and then is exhaled out of the mouth through the respiratory system. It is evident that both systems are required in order to sufficiently exchange gas. If the human body was unable to perform gas exchange, cells within the body would die, so this interrelation is important. The respiratory system interrelates with the digestive system to perform a defense mechanism. When a microorganism has successfully entered the human body, goblet cells along the respiratory tract have the ability to produce a larger yield of mucus. Mucus is a defensive sticky liquid of which has the ability to collect microorganisms that bind with the substance. Cilia within the trachea slide the mucus towards the entry of the esophagus. The substance is then delivered through the tube and into the strong hydrochloric acid present in the stomach. To aid with the respiratory system, the digestive system provides the diaphragm with key nutrients necessary to facilitate breathing. It is also noted that both the digestive system and respiratory system provide the key products to perform aerobic respiration. The cardiovascular system interrelates with the digestive system. Various nutrients produced from the digestive system are required to maintain the heart rate within the cardiovascular system at a normal rhythm. The nutrients are essential within the whole body, so once they have been churned, they are absorbed within the blood and then transported via the cardiovascular system to their required destination. When the digestive system requires more blood, vessels expand to acquire the demands. The circulatory system carries chemical signals which control the speed of digestion. Toxins produced by the digestive system are transported via the cardiovascular system to the kidneys to excrete the material. It is identifiable from analyzing the roles of the systems that both are required in order for the human body to remain in a healthy state. Also, the unregistered trademark all linked by being part of one and the same organism. Respiratory system oxygen is inhaled, cardiovascular system oxygen is carried to every cell in the organism, Nutritive substances are carried from the digestive system to every cell in the organism. Cardiovascular system: carbon dioxide is carried to the respiratory system and it is exhaled. Cardiovascular system: whatever remains of the nutritive substances after the unregistered trademark V been processed in the cells is returned to the digestive system and is all thrown away at the end of the digestive system. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me. I hope you enjoyed learning about how the digestive, cardiovascular and respiratory system are interrelated as much as I did. Kindly remember that you can get a custom, plagiarism-free essay at Essay Nights for as little as $10. The link is in the description. See you next time.